Is joining us now. And Jordan, it's so pleasant out there right now. It's hard to believe that we're going to have some storms on the way.
That is right. And that warm air that we have going on across the map right now is going to help fuel at least some showers and thunderstorms later on tonight and most of the day tomorrow. We have a first warning impact day for tomorrow, as there's a higher chance the weather will impact your normal routine, in this case the holiday travel, but there's also a low end threat for some severe weather, and it's with these thunderstorms that we're looking at on the screen over Mississippi, Arkansas, and also over Louisiana and Texas. This line of rain and thunderstorms are going to continue to move eastward, and as you can see, this yellow region, that's where the best chance for at least a few isolated thunderstorms could turn severe. This is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, has been upgraded to that level 2. And again, this is that best chance for severe weather, but we're not expecting a widespread severe weather outbreak or event of that nature at the very least. But these are the threats we're looking out for. I think everybody has a chance of seeing some scattered showers, even some heavy downpours, but damaging wind gusts and large hail are also possible, and we can't rule out the potential for a quick, brief tornado at the most. But here's the first warning future track, and here's the rain that we saw on the satellite, and that orange color down there is the instability, a key ingredient for severe weather. And what you'll notice is as this first wave rolls into Alabama, we're not seeing a whole lot of that instability out ahead of the main line, which is somewhat good news. That means there's a good chance this first batch isn't going to be severe. This is midnight, crossing the Alabama-Mississippi border there in North Alabama, and then it's moving across North Alabama. At times could be a little heavier, maybe some lightning and thunder as that instability starts to increase. This is 6 a.m. over North Alabama, over Coleman, Jasper, out towards Columbus, Mississippi. And now we're looking at noon. That first wave is out of here. The winds pull a lot more instability from the south, and as this final line of thunderstorms roll through, they could pack a punch, which is why that level 2 risk that we talked about earlier is there for the afternoon and evening hours. It's this line here, and even the items, the isolated showers and thunderstorms out in front of that could become severe as it crosses through that region over Birmingham, over Tuscaloosa during the afternoon and evening. This is 3 p.m. crossing the I-20-59 corridor over Anniston and Cleanton by 5 p.m. Some gusty winds, large hail possible, and then over Alex City and Lake Martin by 7, and then it's out of here. After that, we see a pretty good cool down, but here's a look at the timeline, county by county. This is for the afternoon and evening thunderstorms on Thursday. So we'll see rain outside of these time frames, but this is where that severe weather comes in. 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for Northwest Alabama, Coleman, Hamilton, Jasper, Fayette, all the way up to Huntsville, Gaston, Birmingham, Chelsea, the metro area, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., Southeast Alabama, Alex City, Ashland, Clanton, as far early as 12 p.m. and as late as 10 p.m. And then here comes that cool down. Cold air coming in from Canada. Going to wake up with temperatures in the 30s and will climb to near 50 by the afternoon. So a chilly day on Thursday. If you are going out to a turkey trot early Thursday morning, temperatures near 40, and by the afternoon again the low 50s. And by the time dinner is over and you're taking a good nap, temperatures are back down in the low 40s. But we are quiet now. Temperatures in the mid 70s across Birmingham, as you can see. Lots of cloud cover out there, upper level clouds, I should say, in the distance with that system moving in from the west. And if you're headed out this evening, we'll be dry up until about midnight. Here's that 7-day forecast. Temperatures are dropping as we get into Friday, that low 30, high mid 50s, and more rain and unsettled weather Sunday and Monday of the following week.
Right. Thanks, Jordan.